There are studies which show that even the snoring alone or habitual snoring can lead to behavioral problems in your child. So that needs further evaluation. Now what else it can cause? If your child is having excessive daytime sleepiness, it is difficult for him to wake up. It is difficult to wake him in morning for school. If your child gets up thirsty in morning, or if your child's academic performance is declining day by day, then or your child is having difficulty in keeping with his peer group, he is having behavioral issues with the peer group, then you should get your child evaluated further.